The next question is by the member for Bobasi, the Honorable Innocent Mumanyi. Member for Bobasi. You don't have a card?
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to ask question number 366 of 2021 to the Cabinet Secretary for Transport, Infrastructure, Housing, Urban Development and Public Works. Could the Cabinet Secretary state the progress of the construction of the 25-kilometer Kebuko-Nyangusu-Nyamache-Nyacheki Road in Bobasi constituency, indicating when construction is expected to be completed? Could the Cabinet Secretary provide the details of the contractor of the said project and explain why they have abandoned the works at the project? Part 3, could the Cabinet Secretary state the amount of funds paid for the construction of the project to date? Part 4, could the Cabinet Secretary also explain why the funds allocated for the maintenance of the said road during the construction process have not been utilized, and undertake to ensure that the road is motorable during the construction period, especially during rain season?